Before this video starts, I need you to do one thing. Watch this video until the very end, because once you truly understand what I'm about to tell you, the way you see money, success, and your future will never be the same again. Most people will spend their entire life working and still stay financially trapped, not because they are stupid, not because they are lazy, but because nobody ever taught them the real rules of money. From childhood, people are programmed to follow the same path. Go to school, get a safe job, work for decades, and hope life somehow gets better. But think about this for a second. If hard work alone created wealth, then the hardest working people in the world would already be millionaires. The truth is, most people are stuck in survival mode. They wake up tired, work jobs they hate, scroll social media for hours, sleep, and repeat the same cycle again, day after day, year after year. Meanwhile, someone else is using that same time to learn skills, build businesses, study money, and create freedom. That is the difference. Wealthy people think differently. While average people chase entertainment, successful people chase knowledge. While average people fear discomfort, successful people understand that growth only happens through discomfort. And that's why discipline is so powerful. Reading when others scroll, working when others procrastinate, staying focused while everyone else is distracted. Those small actions may look invisible today, but over time, they completely change a person's future. Because success is not built in one day. It is built daily. Every habit, every decision, every hour. One day, you will either thank yourself for starting now or regret wasting years staying the same. So protect your focus, protect your time, and start building the future you actually want. Because nobody is coming to save you. Only you can change your life. And if this video opened your eyes even a little, make sure you subscribe to Shadow Wealth for more videos about money, discipline, and success. Thanks for watching.